Hello, I'm Michael from Spartakus Technologies. Let's take a moment to talk about preventative maintenance. Spartakus allows for the execution and planning of digital maintenance rounds. It completely eliminates the use of paper or Excel sheets by allowing you to enter the information directly through the mobile app so that you can complete your inspection or lubrication route. And that even if you do not have wireless internet access, as the app does not require it. Spartakus is user-friendly and makes executing and planning routes faster and easier. You can maximize your workforce by assigning the right task to the right person at the right moment. Additionally, you can also monitor the task compliance via the web interface. There are three main steps to use Spartakus for PM inspection. The first one is to build your maintenance plan. You will need to build your hierarchy, the tasks that need to be made, the measurements, the lubricants that are to be used, and all sorts of information. The second part is actually executing those tasks. Having those technicians in the field pull up the mobile app right in front of them and start executing the work that's asked of them. And naturally, the third part is asset health monitoring. With a better organized and effective maintenance routine, you will be able to optimize your team's time and overall productivity. If you are looking to be a top reliability performer and have lubrication, inspection, mechanical rounds, or any other kind of rounds, let's connect and explore the possibilities together.